name's Lonnie Key, and I would like to show you how simple it is to change out a hard drive. First of all, make sure that you do have your computer user guide. It's very handy to have on hand, and your original software that came with your computer, like your operating system, your application, and your driver, and your Microsoft Word. Okay, and another thing is your new hard drive. Went down to Fry's Electronics today and I purchased this. And how did I know which one to take? You can ask the customer service there, or you can bring the original hard drive with you. So let me show you where to get the hard drive from. So let me just change the video on this end here onto the computer. This is the internal of the computer, and this is where the hard drive is located. Make sure when you do disconnect it, you remember how to connect it back. But this is disconnecting the hard drive, both of these components here of the wires, and then click the hard drive to release it and pull your hard drive out. And this is it right here. Put the old one away, grab your new hard drive, place the same thing back in there, and it doesn't matter which slot to put it in, and slide it right in there, and then connect it just like that, and connect it just like this. And remember when you're connecting it, put back your case on there. And I'm going to put the camera back up on me just to give you an idea, and it is, believe me, very simple as I just illustrated to you. This is where your discs will come in hand. You're going to need to upload all this information to your computer so it will be up and running for you. I hope this is a helpful tip for you, because it's the spur of the moment, and if I can do it, I believe you can do it as well. Once again, my name's Lonnie Key, and I appreciate you viewing my video clip. Thanks. Have a great day now.